Today, we will learn English with a short story. Listen carefully. The English is slow and clear. There is a mother duck. Her name is Daisy. She lives near a quiet pond. She has 5 ducklings. Every day, Daisy gives one rule. She says, "Stay close to me." The pond is big. It can be dangerous. 4 ducklings listen. 1 duckling does not. His name is Dobie. Dobie thinks, "I am big now. I can go anywhere." One day, Dobie sees a butterfly. It is colorful. It is beautiful. Dobie follows the butterfly. He walks away from the pond. He walks past the grass. He walks past a log. Suddenly, Dobie falls into mud. He is scared. Then he hears a sound. A snake is near him. Dobie cries, "Help me!" Mama Daisy hears him. She comes fast. She scares the snake away. Dobie is safe. Dobie says, "I am sorry. I did not listen." Mama Daisy says, "I make rules to protect you." From that day, Dobie listens. He stays close. This story teaches a simple idea. Listening is important. Rules are not control. Rules are protection.